or welcome back to my channel. This is Labhanshi and I am here for all the beauty, makeup, lifestyle related kind of videos. Also sometimes cooking related videos because that's what I like sometimes. So this is Friday. I've just woke up. Today is my week off from office. So I was thinking to make a vlog. It's been since a long time I haven't make a YouTube vlog and I thought of making something nice and cute and basic. I've just thought today will be a very basic day for me because I'm alone at home and I don't know what to do. I'm getting so bored. So I'm going to start my day with, having my cup of black coffee and going to gym. Gonna decorate this wall today, a little room makeover also. I have something in my mind which is very Pinteresty. I'll also show what else I've ordered from Amazon for that room makeover kind of thing. So I'm not gonna do much, but yeah, few basic stuff so that it elevates my room. Oats, milk now, adding cocoa powder, cinnamon powder, peanut butter. My oatmeal is ready. I've just made it. It looks so freaking yummy. I'm gonna get my hands on it. Okay, let's get ready for gym. Skincare. Going to be my outfit for gym. As I'm back from the gym and I did my lunch also, and I did some dusting in my room, and now I'm gonna decorate the wall and add few things in my room makeover. So this is my room. This looks like this. My makeup vanity has been all over my Instagram, so everybody knows that. Okay. What I'm looking forward for today is to decor this wall. This wall looks so dirty, so I wanted to, hide those marks on the wall, and I did some dusting. And I'm gonna show you what I've ordered for the room makeover from Amazon. These are my wardrobe, all desi things, guys. It is not very aesthetic, but yeah, okay. I'm also gonna show you my bathroom. I just recently did some changes in my bathroom. So firstly, these are some fake plants I've ordered to decor my room. These hanging racks, so I have something in my mind for the wall. I'm gonna place them there. The one, trust the process. I'm just a girl, and these are some quotes so that I can manifest and motivate myself. Things to hang, like hangers. It's like set of hangers. Pretty rug for my room. I'm gonna put it, I guess, there outside my room, and or maybe in my balcony area. I'll figure it out later on. But look how Pinteresty it is. So super cute, so cute. Lastly, one more frame. I'm gonna place this on my side table. I will try to place it and let's see how does it looks. So it is done. This is how it looks like. It's the first part. I'm on it still now. It's almost done. I've covered all the spots. I had some posters, so I added on the front door of my room. So I'm just entering from here and I see this pink aesthetic. So this is looking fab. I love this. Added this rug here, this mat. It's not moving at all. The material is really nice. I'm thinking this frame to add here. Okay. And stable clock, cute candle, some pretty tulips, this small lamp. Look at that. It has color changing settings also. It gives so much color and structure to my bed, so I like to do it. And then my flower pillow. Getting into the pillow covers. Look at those pillow covers. Look how cute this is. OMG, I'm obsessed. This is all about my room. I'm just showing you what else I added today. These are the things I added today. Going with the vibe of my room because it's pink. So I just got super tired by doing all of this. Now I am going to take a shower. I'll get dressed and I am gonna do some work. Shower is done. I just took a nap. I was super tired because I made food also today. I cooked, I cleaned, and did a lot of things. So, guys, that was it for this vlog today. I am super sleepy. It's signing off from this vlog. See you on the next one.